In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Semantic Model Extensions framework to add a custom dimension to a pre-built fact in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. In this scenario, I'm a Semantic Model Administrator. I will use Semantic Model Extensions to add a department dimension with additional data to a pre-built fact in the SCM sales subject area. Adding dimensions to the logical star provides additional context and descriptive attributes to the numerical facts. We'll start by creating the custom department dimension in Autonomous Data Lakehouse. Dimensions can be developed a few different ways. I can use data augmentation, specialized ETL or data integration tools, or execute manual or programmatic SQL. It's important to ensure the join key column is unique, otherwise the data will duplicate in the workbook. Next, I'll grant semantic model access on the department table to the custom dimension for the $OAX$OAC schema. This ensures the semantic model in FDI can access the new table. Now I'll open the Semantic Model Extensions page. From the FDI homepage, I'll navigate to Console, then Semantic Model Extensions. This takes me to my list of sandboxes where I can safely make model changes until I'm ready to publish the extensions. I'll click Perform Action, Manage Logical Star, then Edit Logical Star. I'll select Out of the Box and then the Sales Orders subject area and the fact I want to add the dimension to. When I click Next, the logical star is shown. A logical star is the basic complete unit of a dimensional model with a fact at the center and joined to the surrounding dimensions. I can manage a logical star by adding and updating objects, attributes, joins, and calculations. In the logical star, I'll click Add Dimension and create New Dimension. I'll enter the schema and the previously created database dimension. Then I'll name the dimension and select the attributes and keys. In this scenario, there's no hierarchical navigation or drill down capabilities for the department dimension. So I'll click Next and deselect Add Hierarchy to the subject area since I don't need to expose a hierarchy. Even though it won't be visible in the subject area, I still need to provide a name, at least one level, and the relevant keys. I'll name the hierarchy Custom Department Hierarchy. I'll add all the data elements I want presented in the semantic model to this level or as details. I don't need to specify a sort order. When ready, I'll click Finish to return to the logical star. Next, I'll connect the new department dimension to the pre-built fact. I'll click the fact and select Manage Extension, Add Columns, then Add Physical Column to add the join column. I'll rename logical columns as needed to prevent conflicts with pre-built column names. Then I'll click Finish. When selecting the physical columns, I need to make sure the columns come from the correct tables. I'll click Show Customizations Only and drag the custom dimension onto the pre-built sales fact to open the Join dialog. I'll click Add Join Condition and join on the two keys previously added to the fact. I'll set the join type to left outer and the content level to detail. I'll return to the logical star and right-click the fact to manage the extension. I'll edit the previously added columns and set the custom dimension level to detail. Now I can present the custom dimension in the semantic model. I'll navigate to the sandbox, click Perform Action, select Manage Subject Areas, then Modify a Subject Area. I'll select the SCM Sales Order Subject Area. I'll click Next again to add elements, then New Custom Elements. I'll select the Department Attribute column and then click Apply. I can reorder, reorganize, and rename as needed, then click Finish. Once my changes are ready, I'll apply and publish the updated model. This step enables the new dimension for reporting and analytics across my organization. From the sandbox, I'll select the Actions menu and select Apply Changes. In the Activity tab, I can confirm the state of the request. In the Semantic Model Components tab, I'll click Publish Model, select my sandbox, then click Publish. In the Activity tab, I can confirm the publish is successful. Finally, I'll validate everything by creating a new workbook using the extended subject area. I'll create a visualization with the department attribute and confirm it displays the correct information and can join with the fact measures as expected. Now that I've added my custom department dimension to a pre-built fact, our organization's users can analyze sales data by department. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.